We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Anyway, Jolly,
Oh,
two of your cousin them a come for holiday come stay down here. Me know me never make you aware of it before.
which cousin?
Maybe you're not too know them. Because two them not live down this side, yeah, and me hardly see them to a friend them small then they go. You understand?
So I first hear about them cousin.
Me know, but two them a come for holiday. Me just a make you know that you feel look out for two cousins where you don't know none at all. Maybe them see you maybe 1 or 2 times in your life when you did smaller. So them more fi know you don't know them. One at 19 and one at 18. Just when they come, me just want you behave calm and nice and make them feel welcome. Make them feel at home. You understand?
Yeah.
You can carry them around and make them see the place, show them where bathroom, show them where they go sleep and everything.
Alright.
One of them named Kerry and one named Cindy. You remember what I say? One of them named Kerry and one named Cindy. You see, 19-year-old one, she named Kerry, and the 18-year-old one named Cindy.
Okay.
All right. So, when they come, as I say, just act like you know them long time, all when you just know them. Try to be friendly with them, you understand?
Alright, but me not have to babysit them.
Babysit 19-year-old and 18-year-old?
No, me just ask because I know say sometimes your mind just want me to.
No. A matter of fact, for now, me no know what go take place. So maybe sometime I go have to stay here with them when me I go somewhere. Maybe. I'm not sure yet. But if that will happen, me will talk to you about it.
Alright.
You understand? Yeah.
So say sister, daughter them?
Well, I'm a sister, you know. Because from a long time, only 5 years ago when I did small, me meet this sister where they say me and her are the same father. Me and her no grow up together. But if they say me and her are the same father, and the two we have the same surname too, same last name, so then say we are same father but different mother, me have to just accept to say I'm my sister. And friend of my sister, well, I'm my niece then.
Okay.
You understand?
Alright then, me watch over them.
Alright, listen to me now. This one time when you go on your auntie yard, auntie curler, nobody go there go lazy upon yourself now. Me know so no a good pick but on another my yard no do everything one is supposed to do. So nobody go there and go lie down in a bed or cock up in a settee and not do what you're supposed to do. You hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
You hear me, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And Javi up there. So Javi will show no around.
Okay.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Alright, me know say first I go up there and know Javi I first I go meet Javi. But no and Javi a cousin here.
Alright, mama.
Alright. I'm a good little cousin, so no bother. Go there and go act no way strange. You understand?
Yes.
Because I'm a stranger and I go around. Here?
Okay.
And me there go need fan, but me not bother.
That's alright. You know, so we're comfortable already.
Yeah, me there go need just in case current gone, but me not bother go need to no might go mash up it. Alright, me love you here.
You're right here, so.
Yes. Alright, so achieve is that, you know.
3 bills. Oh, I'm
She
get
bills to come on here? Is that 6 bills that?
Yes.
Pay me a carry and come, cause
Yeah.
the man is terrible bad.
We can't be. Alright.
Bye, cutie.
Remember to drop your baby run for the scheme like we ladies say. Auntie Corella! Auntie Corella! Come on now, cousin Javier.
How that there? Hello? Oh my God. Lord God, how the journey?
And the little dirty taxi man charge 3 bills. A 3 bills to come on here?
You know, say a fool. Me never tell you how much you give the driver before you reach.
But 3 bills to me.
Which 3 bills? $200 and some of them we take $250. You mad?
Well, you
So you not get back no change?
No, you might not give back
Alright,
no
now
money.
worry yourself about it. Me give you about that the money they will take from you. So how much money you take from you too? Cause you are little this one. 3 bills to you too? Lord God, them taxi man are too thief, them are overdo it. So a 3 bills to go on the grill and 3 bills to come around and so too. Them is a thief.
You know, Cuckoo.
I cook. Me a cooking now. Me wait for a long time.
What
I'm
Javi?
in the inside. Come.
Hi, Javi. Hi, cousin Javi. Hi.
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 Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm so good. What's your name?
Carrie.
I'm
Cindy.
Alright, nice to meet you guys.
So what?
Alright, you can have a seat, you know. You can feel at home. I'm part of the family.
Yeah.
The little thing you don't want to know can ask Javi for it. Here?
Yeah.
Me in the kitchen.
So, Javi, you still go to school?
I'm not going to school right now.
Oh.
So I'll take a break.
So how old are we?
I'm 19.
Oh.
So about you know.
We left school and thing. She a 19, me a 18.
You got a party?
What do I got a party? Yeah, kind of. I not really like to dip on the road, but
Mama's boy.
What do you mean by you know, like, so we go dinner at the house all day?
no, if you don't want to go, we can go.
Oh. Oh, you have a girlfriend, Javi?
No, me single.
Oh, we single too.
We're single.
Mm-hmm.
What have you ever been to the river?
Which
I'm
river?
not really that tone, so.
Alright. When we get the chance, we can try and go to the river.
Yeah, we can go river.
Sound bad. Sound bad. But anyway, showroom. Too much of you now.
Alright. Alright, so this our room.
You here now, look.
We can make myself at home.
Okay.
And if we need anything, we can just call me. We're right over next room.
Alright. What do you think?
Yeah, alright. I'm a little bit, but we can work with that.
So what do you think about Javi?
We ask what we think about Javi.
You know, like a cousin, like, you know, thinking cool and you know, cute.
Javi, your cousin.
And you have the perfect eyes.
About Javi.
So I can't compliment my cousin, your cousin too. You don't think your cousin nice?
Him nice outside of
Some of them, yeah,
but you sound like somebody nice, like where that deal with her or something.
No, girl, not like that. You're mad? No, I'm just saying nice. And he, you know, he done school, I think he's a big boy, you know.
Yeah, like, what do you
No things smart, me just a compliment because I know what cousin. So go on, so. You know, thinking cute.
Stop exaggerating.
I'm not exaggerate.
Cool, anything you say, well, him nice.
He nice with you. You can go on. Your cousin nice. Auntie nice too.
Yeah, she can go on, I like she.
Oh, it's comfy.
Yeah, girl, you talk. Bye.
What is?
This funny and good.
Yeah, go to see.
Bye.
Yeah, what time I know? Like say, the man ain't take a ball game thing for joke thing, you know that.
We're almost 5 o'clock right now. Nobody now come play ball. You know what I'm saying? That man, them not take football serious. Only scamming a good one right now.
That brother. The man them all the man them want to still drink rum and rum and boom, you know that.
But, you know, so me have to tell you by the way.
What one?
2 of my cousins them come from Kingston. And brother, that they look good.
So brother, so and so.
I mean,
Well, their cousin them here tell me about.
brother, a far cousin man. Brother, listen to me, man. They look good, man. You see one of them, then she just shape perfect. Next one, slim and just pretty. Brother, they look good, man. Better than most of the girl when I see in Westmoreland.
Dog, what you say to man? Your cousin them come down and so you can sound so.
You know what I mean, brother? They look good, man.
So it's not like you want to deal with your cousin them. So what kind of man you be?
Brother, I never say I deal with them, but I'm a far cousin, man. I don't grow with them, I don't know them.
What you mean far cousin?
Brother, I not even know which side I not even know. I'm from my mother's side, you know, but me, they call me mother auntie, but them are really our niece then. You get what I say? Like a far, far cousin, brother. Me don't know them and they just look good, brother.
Alright, so them a come there. What you do? You line me up on them or what?
Me never say that. But they already there.
So you can't give me a rendezvous. They make me and them
What me look like? Me look like me I try to set up nobody. When me I try to set up
so
nobody.
how you want them for yourself?
Me never say that. But
Then the way you sound, brother, that not sound good, brother. If you say your cousin them or your soul, so the girl they sexy and look good.
brother, if
You could have never said that about my cousin them, brother. Because I'm a cousin them, it's like me and them growing and I see them.
but that's the difference. Me not grow with them.
That sound good. Me not lie, but
Brother, you overthink it thing.
all me I tell you say, cousin and cousin make good soup. But a family ram business them they are depend, brother. You can't say them listen about your cousin. You have to give man good man like me and
You're a good man.
so you try to say, oh you sound, so you ever see me disrespect no man yet?
But never say this year disrespect nobody yet, but me know you. If you see them, you understand why me I tell you say yo they look good. But
Yo, you like
like
him
you
man?
play some ball.
Alright, come in.
Yes, I want nice place, man, Javi.
Yep. So up here so it's called Rolling River.
Yeah, I like it. Nice tourist attraction and things. Me not hesitate, you know, me go in the water later. You know, see me go in the water with my phone.
Sit down now.
I say your sister just jump in the water.
Because she's excited. Maybe if you never there, mother in the water too.
She don't want to go in the water.
When you're ready, I think maybe you asked already if you have one girlfriend, right?
Yeah, I think so.
And you say you're single.
Yeah, I'm single.
Why?
Well, me there talk to somebody, but she just immature. So me just tell her, say me and her have to break up. What about you?
Okay. Well, me is single too.
You single?
For as long as me can remember.
Mm-hmm. So what kind of guys you like?
Well, me like a man who can reason, a considerate man. You know, a man with ambition.
Okay.
How about you? What kind of girls you like?
Well, I like girls who are really, they just have a bubbly personality. Like they,
Me have a bubbly personality.
really?
Yes.
Okay. But they just like to have fun.
Understand?
Because they have a really nice smile though.
Thank you.
I'm like your ass.
me ready, you know.
Why?
Me just ready.
We not going to water all now.
When you just realize I'm not going to water?
But we not going to water all now. We come here for enjoy yourself for you screw up yourself like an understand.
When you just realize I'm not going to water, me gone.
On to your sister.
We don't know. She lucky. Come on.
You ready for going in water?
Me come up before you with them because me have something to tell you.
Where you with them there? Why you come up leave them? I don't understand.
When me see her go on the river, me could stay down there.
What do you mean?
If you ever see your Javi and Kerry down the river going like a man and a woman, me could turn that the side there, me have to come. Come and tell you what me see down there.
Like what exactly? What you see them do?
Alright, we left us so we are go river. All of a sudden, they no want go in the water. When me there in the water, I see them a hug up on a bus big la. Me and see Kerry kiss him. I say, me shock. So me vex and come up because me I say everybody go a river.
You see Kerry?
Yeah.
Kiss Javi?
Yeah, me see them kiss. Me no never pan the mouth or
Wait,
pan
hold
the
on,
jaw,
hold on.
but me see
But
them.
our cousin, she can't hug her cousin.
Auntie, me no think say that a no friend, no cousin, nothing.
Maybe you overthink, you know. Maybe you overthink.
Me no feel so. But me just come to tell you that's why I come up with them because I no like what me see.
Anyway, when they come, me go talk to them.
But anyways, Auntie, when Jerry come here ask you, me I'm going to take off my wet panty. Bye.
Alright.
Everybody nice though.
Yeah, I enjoyed it. It was fun.
Mm-hmm.
Nice getting to spend time with you.
Mm-hmm. What do you feel say? Why your sister left so early, by the way?
I don't know and I don't care. Good evening, Auntie Carol.
Good evening.
Well, mommy.
Javi, we need to talk to you. Sit down. How would I go on between you and Kerry?
What do you mean?
Why Cindy have to leave the town or river and I three on to leave? I don't understand. What kind of holding and hug up and kiss up me here say I go on? You forgot to say your cousin?
Mommy, nothing like that now go on.
What do you mean? I don't understand you. Listen to me, Javi. I know some agree and you need to talk the truth and tell me everything what go down so I can explain and tell about family. Because you see for my family, me no want they in and no mix up nothing in and no family ram nothing or nothing, you know. So careful of what you do, you know.
Mommy.
Other girls out there where you and them not related. If you need a girlfriend, when me allow you to talk to them, but not your cousin. What go on? Because me just want to know, say, when me hear, I know so you go. So explain. Or make me know say I so you go.
Sydney, how will you tell Auntie Corolla say?
What do you mean?
Because me and Javier come up just to come and she's pulling my side and she don't normally do that. And then you come down here.
You guilty or something?
No act like we tell her.
Kerry, me I feel laughed because me don't know why you decide say you for come here come disturb me ask me or when me tell Auntie Curl like but you see me in the right here so and then son you not supposed to can pull him aside anytime he wants.
Every single time I ask you one question, you ask me back one question.
Because me not obligated fancy.
Why you give me attitude and just ask you one simple question? I like Javi,
Because
not you. You like the boy, that's why you act like you're not innocent. We decide to be a guy have fun and you get vexed. Why you even walk away?
So why we say me glad you make that point. Why we say we are going river and the town is sit down and not coming out the water?
Because we get to know each other. We are talking,
So
we are
why
talking
you
about
never
stuff for
stay?
you with
Why
that
you
talk about.
never stay for only one girl for nature? I never know say you meet each other for one dating site or
You're
just go
so
for the
jealous.
first
You're
date.
definitely hurt. But let me tell you this. Go back to Auntie Cruella with my name, you go see.
You
Yeah?
cannot tell me anything. Hey. So why you come to me with badness? Me not
Me not come to
understand.
it, but this me ask you a simple question, you avoid the
You go
question.
fight me over for
Let me
Jackie.
tell you something. Let me tell you already, man. Tell you again, Javi is your cousin. So go and get jealous over your cousin.
Hey. That's a fight because me don't know boy you come in here come talk about me go to Auntie Curla. You sound guilty.
You want me to ask her if you go to
Go
her?
to me not afraid, go on now.
Oh, so you can't get a chat for your own cousin.
Stop being nice. If you got to me see ya Javi hug up.
And that's totally normal. I'm a cousin. Me no hug up. Me no hug up.
What kind of relationship may you have?
We are family. We are family. That
you
is
don't know Javi after you come here, you agree with Javi. Say anybody who anybody feel get suspect is you. Because first thing I hear got about Javi not cute.
Wait, no Sydney. From me come here, me awkward with Javi, and from we come here, you get jealous over Javi.
Hello, just stop it. Like, I don't want to come in here and think we are cuss over Javi. Because me honestly can't take the drama right now. Bye. Me do something before you come.
Well. Continue. Yeah.
When we're there, River, me and Kerry just did a talk. Sydney,
Take time talk. Me just ask her one question. Me not judge her. Me no want she hear what me ask her say. What you say?
me and Kerry did a talk and Sydney did go in the water and maybe she said because me and Kerry did a talk and she did a laugh and she did grab my shoulder but we never kiss her or nothing like that. All we did do I just talk and then by the time we ready for go in the water, Sydney say she ready for left. I may never know why. Maybe you just tired and want to go. So I don't know why she would have told
So,
that.
Javi, you allow Cindy to leave the 2 on a river and I 3 on go. Me not understand. You need to speak the truth. Anyway, me don't want to judge you wrongfully. But me go tell you something. Stop mommy. Me I hear you say mommy how much time and you need to listen about this. You see right now, you don't ready to give no woman, no pick me. A matter of fact, you forgot say Kerry and your cousin are related, close cousin too. So you see, if anything go on for you, and you and her go involved in no intercourse, no, you need to listen. Listen. You don't need to go in no relationship with no family. Because if you get her pregnant, remember you know her mother send her down here to we, to me a matter of fact, not even you. But the whole of we in the house. And you have to understand, say, are your family. So nobody go in no relationship with your cousin because if you go in no intercourse with Kerry and she get pregnant, Lord Jesus, me no want to handicap baby. As my grand pitney, you're mad? It look like you know ears say. And I saw you go fit you and no ears say reality. If you go there with your family and your family get pregnant, the child come the farm. You want that for your first child?
Mommy, I understand what you're saying now, but you just go too far now. You talk about baby and this and that. Me I tell you, say nothing go on between me and Kerry. With the Dye River, me never want Sydney to left because me know see you tell myself watch over them. But Sydney she just left. What me do if you do force her to stay?
I never say you do it. I just tell you what can go down in case you go think of doing something when you're not supposed to do.
Me not think about that.
Guess what, Javi? You see touch, lead up to kiss. Kiss, lead up to sex. Sex, bring baby. Be careful of what you do. Are your cousin. I don't talk. I never give you no message. If you go tell Kerry. I never send you if you go to Cindy, go ask her, say why she this or why she that. She and you are cousin and she and Kerry are sister. If she see something, she go come tell me. And she's supposed to. And you're not supposed to vex about it. I don't want no argument in the house.
Me not vex, it's just that me just tell you the truth. Nothing no go on.
Alright, you say nothing no go on. Maybe take what you say, but and that no means that me believe you.
Me can go in the house.
Yes, I can go on. No, I just that me did want to say.
So we shall we go?
Can just go for a walk. One full moon. Can enjoy that.
Okay, so we just have what the scheme and come back?
Yeah. You know, have some fun.
There we come.
So we can just walk out. I don't want a scary movie.
A breath of fresh air. So what do you think about all of this? You enjoy this?
Yeah, man, I enjoy this.
Me too, well that's nice because we enjoy myself too.
Auntie,
Huh?
how long me I look for you?
No, we alright?
Yeah, me alright. Last night when you have sleep, when I bought 12 o'clock, them door was there. Chappy and Kerry sneak out of yard.
A lie.
Swear. Me da
Your
go
sister, you
wake
know,
you.
and your cousin.
Me
So
nah,
not tell no lie pan
me
them.
nah tell no lie. Me da go wake you, but me say it too late, so me I go tell her now. Me see them sneak out of yard, then think that sleep, but me never did that sleep.
So where then did go?
Me no know nothing, but then feel like say me da sleep, so that's why I didn't sneak out. Me never did that
They
sleep.
not tell no until so them a go off somewhere.
Cause them think say me asleep, and I feel like me no see them.
Here ya.
But really, me I say, me nah wake auntie. That's how come now me dey look for you now for tell you say they ain't sneak out. 'Cause they don't know say me know all along. I know they don't know say me know. But you need to adjust because they too outside. They look for me wife. Them a left out the yard. Me not like them just sitting there. They not no manners. Need to tappy.
No understand. No understand. So she sneak out. She and Javi. And then they Javi him. No say nothing to me, just gone. What kind of plan they have? Mother really love to know what kind of plan the two of them have or what them
God
above.
knows where they go.
What them above to do. All that again. And Kerry, she too little enough.
That how she go
Javi
confront
know the
her now
place.
here.
Javi know the place. She don't know the place. And she just gone with Javi so. Me I wonder who they push this every time. This thing every minute
I'm
they
gonna call mommy because she feel happy. Cause when she come there auntie, she just gone. Me know every minute she feel like say she feel yeah, she and Javi feel gone
and
she and Javi feel there one place by themselves and nobody not hear them and say me I go call mommy and warn her cause she a get out of hand.
hold on there. So what your son so?
Oh, my son auntie.
Your son one kind of way like kind of
No, me
jealous. Me know
not
say your
jealous
cousin
auntie
and
but
like you're jealous. They not pay no mind or what.
they
They not
left me
talk up
out.
to you. They left you out.
They always left me out, so me no see me. They left me out, but me no jealous.
Okay.
They left me out all the time. That's why me I go call mommy and tell her say Kerry and behave herself.
Well, your sister and your mother, you know. If you want to talk to your mother about it, fine. But me have to talk to Kerry about this.
Then to what her for chew your auntie?
By the way, hold on there, Cindy. Nobody call your mother and tell your mother. Me we see Javi and Kerry and talk to the two of them about it.
Alright,
Me have to
auntie.
talk to the two of them about it because this thing look like it are going a one different way when me not even can see it.
Talk to them before you late.
I mean, no one judge them wrongfully, you know, but me I go talk to them. Kerry,
Yes, auntie.
where you go last night? You just want to know where you go. Where you go?
What do you mean, I'ma go?
You
You
know,
talk about with Javi?
you don't go to the road.
With Javi?
Me no know where you go to dinner.
I go out last night with Javi. Cause me that tell him say me tired of the house and him I say we can go for a walk so me and Javi do go out.
Listen to me now. You don't know the place. You recently come down here. You understand? You don't know the people them. You don't know who for heart wicked from who for heart good. Even though you're 19. You see? That no mean say something bad can happen to you. I not wish you anything bad happen to you, but you have to understand, say, you have to be careful. You can't just left out and go up on the road. Whether Javi follow you or Javi not follow you. Javi a boy, you know. A man. You understand? Him a man. Him a no girl. Me no want get in no problem for you. And me, your mother send you to. And if you go out on the road, Kerry, you know, just simple tell me, ask me if you can go. Then you come back so late in the night again. I realize say you and Javi get too close, you know. I mean, not like that. You have to be careful. Remember, say Javi is your cousin.
And what you mean by me and Javi get too close? Everybody do you want to come and live good and that way you do?
Yes. One of you live good as a family, not as boyfriend and girlfriend.
And what you talk about?
Kind of suspect on one way, but me no want to judge you know. But just be careful. No bother they with none of your family them, cause me can't take a bangarang and the tangle up. Because them the nastiness them me no in it. So
Auntie, no.
please, right now, please me I beg you. If you go up on the road and you meet somebody down here, introduce them to me. Let me say for somebody way related to we, or one stranger, or for somebody who lookable.
Auntie, why you worry about me? I Sydney if you worry about because every time she see me and Javi, she act one type of way like she don't want me run him none at all. So no me if you worry about.
You have to understand, say your smaller sister. You understand? Are your sister? And maybe she feel left out.
Auntie, she not feel left out because I'm there on her same. Me and her grew up, you know.
Well, you and her grow up. You can bring in little jealousy. Remember, say she used to you, and she got this or played this, played that, and all kind of something. Now the two want to come down here, so we're not even used to. And then all of a sudden you draw away from she, and they close to Javi. Maybe things are like kind of going in her head too. You understand? So just be careful, please. I not say you know if you have boyfriend, you know, because you reach the age. You can have boyfriend, but be careful, don't you so? A whole heap of family may have done you so. Whole heap of generation. When we say not generation, you know, gingeration, whole heap of family, you have down here women not have time to introduce you to it. So be careful.
Auntie, but me tell her already saying I'm not like that. So.
Okay, just be careful. Me hear what you say. Me get you. But be careful. Can't say me never did I warn you. Anyway, you can go lie down and relax a little bit because from last night until now you look tired. Get up and go and go lie down. You're going on your room.
Javi.
Alright?
Auntie Carla come to me like so long.
My mother come to you?
She come to you?
Come to me?
Yeah. She said she see we sneak out last night and when me and you up too.
She see we sneak out?
Well, she never said she see, but she say
Alright,
she
tell
saw
me what she
sneak
said.
out last night and I we were up too.
How sure I know?
I don't know. Most likely Sydney got to her and tell her something. I have Sydney.
But why is you sure you see a thing say, sister?
What else it would have been? And you tell her mother so we go out last night?
No, mother never
Then
tell her
how
that.
should I know?
So what she said to you?
She just say, we have to be careful and please bear in mind that we are cousins and certain things can't happen. I tell her, so we just go for one walk and she asked what would be the reason why we need to go so late. So I tell her, so we just go for one walk and she said, so well, nothing wrong with that, but just keep it there so because we are cousins. She never did really did that going on me.
Thing is, you know, when we did come from a river, she did talk to me about that too, so
So why you never mention that?
I never really I never really think it was a big deal because we did that tell her I said nothing never go on. And nothing never go on, don't really go on ever.
Well, I think if we stop with this car, things are catch up on way.
Do you want it to stop?
No, but at the best because my face is Sydney right now.
If you see your sister?
My face says she know, she just know I make one big deal out of it because she keep on tell auntie things. So my face says she know, or eventually she gonna know. Like she gonna actually have proof to say, hey, we do this and we do that. Time will catch up on me.
What
And
do
I
you
know
want
say
it to
auntie
stop?
go soon start call mommy and I tell her this and that.
But Karen, what do I want it to stop?
So what we supposed
You
to
have to
go?
understand all that, yeah?
Yeah, but me just alright, so how we go do this and nobody may know.
Nobody know if you know.
But people already know.
But even if people know it, I love you. You tell me say you never enjoy last night.
Yeah, but alright.
Stop worry. You don't have to worry.
Okay.
No problem.
When the mother can ask if we go tell her.
She asked me to guys
Alright.
stop worry.
Me not worry, me just don't want things. This is gonna be disgrace if it come out, you know. Me don't want things to come out like that.
And even if anybody find out, we still want to be with you. So you don't want to be with me?
Yes, Javi.
Hi.
Oh, man.
Nothing. What you doing?
No, I'm just watch a movie for Richard Brown films.
Oh yeah, I know them actor really nice Jamaican movie.
So, how much was your sister?
She know about she gone from her to the mother.
So,
We went and I was saying that from watching the movie. You know what, I'm something fun.
what do you mean fun?
Go and go like you do, I tell you.
Do you want me lock the door?
Go and like you do where you move, say shy. By the way,
So, what you want to talk about?
where you and carry out first? Let me get down to that first. Where you and carry out?
My my sister have?
Mm-hmm.
Why you ask that?
Because you and I moved close to where you and I out.
Me and I don't have nothing.
What? Oh.
I just, why you think me and I have something? Because up a river?
No worry about that. Don't feel like say we're not in a something.
No, man, me and I ain't in nothing. But, I have one question for you ask you.
Oh.
You like me?
Well, you would have asked that. Me and no cousin Javi.
Yeah, me and you are cousin, but nobody not really have to know.
But, nobody.
To tell you the truth, you know. Me really like you, you know. You don't like me?
Say that thing the same thing with me, I think.
Yeah.
You can't knock.
Are your room? Is it your room? Are your room?
That matter I ask you if you can knock.
Over here is this supposed to there? As a matter of fact, and then you might talk to Javi Wagwan.
Me ask you a question. Will you start watch a movie? Something wrong with that?
Javi Wagwan.
No, I want a movie we watch.
So why would not ask a jittery and a jumpers in the see me? No, talk to me, come here, talk to you, Wagwan.
No, I
So
just
she
want a
know
movie
if
we
you have
watch.
to answer?
Yeah, him owe me an explanation, you don't think so? Eh? You don't think
You
so?
want to come see proof yourself our movie we watch?
No, me an auntie Curl.
And why you can't knock?
You want me call auntie so she
Me not
can't tell her?
care, me not care, because me not do nothing.
You not do nothing?
No.
So why wanna jump as in the sim? You not take me for eat that you?
Yeah, idiot if you want things so.
Javi, watch yourself.
Play the movie.
No, watch yourself.
What she mean by watch yourself?
And you're not supposed to be around here, so you're enough. Yeah, it's very enough. You're enough.
You chat too much. Play the movie, Chappie.
You don't think your sister suspect anything?
Yeah, what about she? She alright. She too enough. She need to mind her own business. Until I say, you learn and stop me, you know, because why you not move? Why she move so? You know, so. Then you say, alright. If you want thing bullshit, I grow. When you not have that, you come in and suspect something.
So, you know...
Me not care what she want think. If you busy, say she want think you alright. You alright. Go on, because me don't know why happens. And by the way, I have fun. Bye.
So, nervous?
What?
Next time?
Sydney.
Oh. Yeah, so I live for.
Because I know you're going to lie to me and I have something for ask you how long.
What you want to ask me? Why you give me attitude and I tell you, what you
No,
want
raise
to
the voice
ask?
for me, though. Raise the voice for me.
What you need for ask?
What you and Javi have?
Ah, sir, Kerry, me have to laugh. Take you sound so stupid right now.
Oh, okay.
What you mean by, if me remember, say me and Javi are cousin?
The day when me and Auntie Curl go on the road, right? And me come back and me catch you. Well, me not gonna say me catch you now. But why you would have over Javi room and when me come on and ask us?
Ah, we don't even know what to say to you.
Ah.
Because remember the first time we come in and yeah, tell me, oh, Javi no look good and thing. And me say, remember say your cousin. You never think something fishy about that?
Never fish about that me a compliment because there's nothing wrong with
So
that.
why me can't lie down over my cousin room?
Cause
Is that illegal?
that's why when me that bring up the conversation just now, me say me never catch you no come and I want to make it look like me ask you know, and I say I do not fishy. So now that me ask you awkward, you know actually I do something.
Matter of fact, when time you and Javi did go over here move weird with Javi, did I say anything to you? Carry me not for answer you.
This
Me
is
not
what
owe
you do. You keep on avoid the conversation with be a
Me
question.
not owe you an obligation, girl. Allow me.
Alright, continue.
Chop.
Continue.
Mommy! Mom! Mommy! Mom!
Yes, me over here. Come over here.
Oh. Never see you, know.
Yeah, time hot, so me sit outside.
Me say if you type my out there. Sorry for manners, even.
What happened?
Nothing.
Here.
We come back for some clothes.
What you mean you come back for?
fine, because me only want to share with you. So.
What you mean you come back for clothes?
Eh?
You never bring enough clothes.
No.
What you mean no?
We just come back for more clothes. Because we have to wash and repeat them. So
You
auntie
see-
just said we come back for clothes.
I'm moving to move out.
No me.
Well, me here.
Where you just up so where you come from?
Me I go about my business. Me a big woman.
Yeah,
You know say you're at girl long time.
But anyway, me have a bone to pick at you right now. Cause my sister call me and tell me saying sick uno and Javi and move some kind of way. Like what kind of business uno and Javi na?
Mommy? Missy Kerry and Javi kiss.
Yes,
Hola.
you what?
Missy and Javi. Missy them and Missy and Javi.
Sydney, no bother with me. No bother with me.
That's how she act because she knows that true.
Why is it you acting so defensive?
Me not even know how to be defensive because it's a lie.
Lie, she a tell me.
Why is Mommy, listen, this is lie. This is lie. I mean I got point fingers for nobody and talk about what she do. For now, me talk about myself, me don't know what she talk about. I don't know what you're talking about. I want Auntie
Kerry.
Kayla call and tell say. Because she not tell us she have no problem with we, eh?
He says she and Javi I move close, she not sure.
Well, nothing wrong with that. Our cousin.
So she
We have
a
to
behave?
ban.
Let me tell you,
Girl,
girl,
she knows
girl,
she a
no
true.
bother with the foolishness in front of me right now. No bother with it.
Mommy, but our cousin. you
Look
know,
here,
expect
let me talk to you now. Me know you and Javi no grow up together, you know. But you know a cousin, blood cousin, or two first cousin. You hear me tell you? You hear? Look here. The person you are there, where you supposed to call her?
Auntie.
Auntie what?
Auntie Cruella.
Auntie Corella. Well, let me tell you something. Corella is my sister here, and Javi is my nephew. And they have a saying, say cousin and cousin boil good soup. But you see that soup there? It will give you colic and give you running belly. You hear me I tell you? Because you know two first cousin.
Talk to her.
Talk to she about what? So you really see it while them a kiss with
Me
you?
see them, and when they see me, they shock.
You see them with your two eye?
I will go over when we just go up there. Me see them and move fishy. And then me come home, me don't know what they do after.
As a matter of fact, me stop act like me don't know what go on. Because the other day, me and auntie go up on the road, come back and see she and Javi in a room, and me just ask her about it, and the girl not tell me not what makes sense all now.
Mommy, Auntie Krella go up on the road and say to stay in a room with Javi. That's why I'm in the room with Javi. You
Why?
two know.
Mommy, look on it. As me don't talk.
So
me
how all
don't
of a
chat.
sudden it one will live?
Because she
jealous of
disgusting.
me and Javi. Because me and Javi have a better one than she.
What could I call
No,
this
sir.
now?
Just a come.
Let me tell you something.
Never see
Me no
come
want to
see.
hear nothing where go on between the two and who see who from who never see who.
and who did see and who never see. One thing me I tell it to Anna right now, me don't need no family ramming in my family.
Mommy, where you at? What kind of family?
Listen to me, man. Cause it one act weird. I never see it one quarrel nor act no kind of type of way, but right now, the behavior wanna display in front of me, man, it annoying. Where you carrying her head from?
I saw she go on here, I saw she go on.
Lie. Cause she want you feel lick me or something, you too lie.
Me want her to lick you, I'm not really listening.
Tell mommy the truth, you too lie.
You know, act like it one Javina real business.
Mommy remember say we not really grow with Javina, so we
But
happy
you
to
know,
see
grow with him, but I'm a cousin. Try remember that, put that in your head. And me don't, look here, no, girl, you need to stop.
you.
And you know, I have a great mind, I said no back up.
Mommy, you can't do that. And plus, the rest of the things them up there.
We go
And
for
an
them.
auntie bag this, me have gear back her bag.
I joke mommy, we alright. Like we alright, man.
You back door open?
Girl, stand up right there, sir. Nobody with the attitude. Remember, Sam, me, look here. You don't forget how to deal with.
No.
But we alright, mommy, I just like a joke with her around. We alright. Tell her so we alright now.
We alright.
Yeah, go
Then say shame and no load, but he broke neck. Couldn't nobody carry down no disgrace and no shame for me because I'm all in the Bible. First time, all time days. Then say, when man name Jacob, when name changed to Jacob to Israel. Did go down a one place, go married, go down a uncle, and go ask in cousin hand in marriage. So nobody with it, you know. You no name Rebecca and you no name Leah. And nobody with the foolishness. Me no want no family ramming a me family.
Me say a lie, you're not here.
The pitney they might have, no go on, man. That's why I see some people born with handicap pitney and sort of pitney. Nobody with the foolishness.
Talk, alright.
Them are two girls come like they want to bring down disgrace for me.
Tired enough.
Do you want me to go back over?
Wait, still.
Javi. Javi. I want to talk to you.
Come to you look, sir. What do you want to talk to him about?
First, I have to tell Lucy I love me. You have to tell Lucy I really, really need me.
Carrie, I really love you. Anything I need, I can tell me.
You sure?
Yeah, sure.
And this is what I'm going to tell you, I have to stay between me and you.
Alright.
Do you remember when I tell us something that feel good?
Yeah,
I'm pregnant.
you're pregnant.
Yes, where I talk so loud. Stop, look, where when me I talk to you, now, this is a serious matter, you know.
See, Mr. Period?
Me take one test, if I that you ask, and it's positive, I'm gonna just take one. And of course, you are the daddy, I know you know. So stop confused.
No, me not I confused like me think I know me and father. It's just like
Yeah, I confused, like you don't know what to do.
me know what to do. Ah,
Alright, what we going to do?
come here. You know something love you. You don't have to worry about no. If you are stressed out about it, you don't have to worry yourself. Me love yourself. Me be there with you, and if you're really pregnant, me be there as a father.
Yeah, but how we going to do that?
You don't have to worry about that.
You
Remember,
sure?
you don't have to worry.
Javier, make this stay between me and you.
Your sister don't know.
No, your mother? Why you worry about my sister now?
No, it's just that me know say sister, so I want if you probably tell her. You not tell her.
No, me don't tell her. And don't ask me nothing about her again.
Alright. But you don't have to get so upset.
Because out of everybody, I wonder if Sydney know. You not worry about your mother, you not worry about mommy, you worry about Sydney.
Me not even no, me I worry about if my mother know. It's just that I wonder if your sister know. I mean, you know, I just because me I wonder if your sister will tell nobody I know.
Well, are you all know?
Alright. No worry yourself. No worry yourself. Come on, me don't want you to look upset. Carrie, no problem. You don't have to worry.
Okay.
Alright, so yeah, I'll stay.
Stay over?
Yeah.
Your mother? You was crazy. You want Sydney wake up in the night and see me? You come like you don't understand what I'm going. Just put me a gun my bed.
Carrie.
This don't make sense. Oh, you fit me tell us I'm pregnant, you ask me to stay over. You want to add more to our one?
No.
It can't work. Kevin,
Carrie,
good
Carrie.
night.
You can't leave so upset.
Me not upset. Me just make you understand say this I got add too much to our go on tomorrow. Okay?
So we can't easily one kiss goodbye.
Love you, Javi.
Yo, me there right round Miss Sandra shop yourself. Alright, yeah man, come link me.
Yo.
Where the pan?
Well, brother, I feel stressed out.
What I'm tell you?
You don't know what I said. You know, me tell us my cousin them come from town and I stay with me and my mother.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I say, me get faith. Chop it to them, bro.
What you say to me? Brother, what kind of soup that they are cook my youth? That the soup then no red peas nor cow skin and chicken foot. That the soup then no normal soup, brother. What you say to me?
But brother, another type problem, you know. One of them pregnant.
Jesus. Yo. You know what normal man, brother? Your brother, cousin.
Brother, me know what you think already, brother. But I'm a far cousin. But me not give a word about the fact say I'm a cousin. Me a worry about the fact say if my mother find out, she probably will kill me. Because she did warn me say me not feel look upon him and this and that and then
Listen to me. It better your worries. You better pray say I want 444 cousin that day. Because if that pit in there, if you come here now, you know, you want that wrong things can happen. Brother, you cannot do them sitting with your family. Ever want near cousin, brother. That pit in there must come good. God forbid, it must come good because guess what? A family and the blood and him sitting there. I see no dog.
brother, I'm a far cousin man. But brother, yeah, me do want to ask you something. If you could have done me a favor since this happened.
Brother, I don't know nobody with that shot on belly, you know. Let me tell you that straight. Me no support this. So if that you tell me about, me no support this. Me no know nobody with that shot belly, and I
And that me go ask sisters, bro.
say I keep it.
She make me talk to her about it. She said she don't want that show.
You say your cousin are too mad somebody to backside. I wish part that. Where your cousin come from? I St. Thomas.
You must me tell us that town name come from.
He close. St. Thomas and town, they close by.
But we are straight off topic, brother. Me I wonder if you could have maybe just in case if my mother find out or anything, if I could have just pretend like your father. But listen to me. No, just calm down for a second. Just think about what me I say. You don't even have to take care of me. You just have to just pretend like if anything happen, you just pretend like are you are the father.
Mrs. say, you know, rate me, you know that. I did the want me dead, you know. I did the really want me dead. You know, say Tanisha want mad girl.
But brother, look
Me I gotta do this now. If me if do this for you. Zine?
she don't have to know. Just in case if you need to show up and say you're a father or anything, just say you're a father.
Me don't say the dangerous, brother, but me never know say I say the dangerous, dog. You're gone on a different level.
Brother, don't make it sound so. Just do me this one favor now.
Alright, so how me I gonna do this now? Cause me have Tanisha, you know. Zine? How me I gonna do this now? Me can't make so what if the people see me at own to pick me and actually go tell Tanisha? No problem, you know. A big old problem nothing, dog.
What?
I didn't want me dead. Maybe think about it. So what hold on there? So I'm to your next cousin. She a breed?
Well, from what me know, no, but I don't think she a break. She'll probably tell me.
So you can-
But I don't think she then go stay up here still. So I don't like you feel. I just in case for time being.
brother, you're so not greedy and selfish. And them they sitting at me, you know.
Mm.
Look how other day me down me saw me I tell her say, yo, forgive me. Where me and them are no family related. Me not even know how they look, you know. And me say forgive me and Randy when I take it to them for yourself, dog.
But brother, I don't like. Me must say me they did that. And me they like. So why me ever give to one next month?
Alright, yo. Me think about it.
Just
Me think about it. Me have a girl and me I don't know what I think about it. Yo.
me must say Tanisha mad you know. So if I anything, I can just left Tanisha.
Me I come go me a dog. Me I come go me a. Look more. You hear?
Yeah, but
As of today, just make sure say you put one Mali on your name or so. Because you know what me think about it, yeah, man. Me think about it. Just give me some time and me think about it. Yeah.
alright. But brother, I know me man.
Ah.
Carol.
I want Javi, man.
Javi.
You know my friend Javi.
Oh, yeah.
Ziggy me attack.
Mm-hmm. What happened with him?
Why? If me tell you a story, I mean, I think you'll all believe it. I swear to God.
Talk to me now.
Alright, so apparently he have two cousins come down to go and spend holiday.
Okay.
Right? And I don't know how it happened. As me say, then cousin. See? So bam, son, look like say one of them get pregnant. See? One of them get pregnant. And
And
like he might ask me to do one favor for him.
what kind of favor?
He might ask me if me can own a baby. But my time say me can't do that because me, me, me in a one relationship with her. Tell him that. So me can't do it. But him beg me please, so me there say me I think about it, but there say me I just ask you if me can do it first.
You ask me if I can't own Javi pitney them.
I,
How Javi manage your breeding cousin?
Babes, that me I try, me no know. Me no know, and that don't even look right to come out in a news saying breeding cousin. So that's why he ask me if me can take a responsibility. But me no know. And true, me know why you go find out a road and me say me can't tell you. If it just in case me did decide say me I will do it. Me no want nobody come tell you nothing.
So I'm ask you something. You really not consider for do this?
Honestly, babes, honestly, no. But because I'm a friend, I'm a know say that you would actually do something like this if I did me in a situation. But true, me know say you're a woman and something. Me tell you out of respect. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So and I like me I hide nothing from you. Me just gonna tell you. So me consider it. So me would take a shame out of your eye.
So what happen when other people find out you're not for your pitney? What gonna happen? See, you never think that far. Somewhere, somehow, them are gonna find out say it's not yours. What Javi go do then?
So I think my fiddle.
I don't know. Me no know. Because you can't take up somebody pitney saying it's yours. I don't know what to say. Cause to say you're actually considering it, you seem crazy.
But not say it to nobody like if they ain't gonna say in cousin. No, just make it stay right as between me and you. Cause me tell me say me ain't gonna tell nobody.
You see, anytime I see your friend Javi, tell him say yes or no. Since you don't know what to do. Cause me no want to kill you. Me no want to go to prison for you.
So baby, did I really kill me for that?
What you go take up one next man pitney for? And it's not yours. One time I see him, tell him say no. Tell him say yes and no. It's not going to happen.
But yes, I just like how me take you up with the baby, you know. I just like how me and take you up with the baby. She enough for me. I mean accept her as mine.
Anytime you see Javi, tell him you say no.
Alright, babes, I'm gonna bed.
Mm-hmm.
You finish cook?
No.
Alright. Watch your sister then.
What you asking me since today?
I don't want nobody to come in when me talk.
Or what you want to help you find one solution?
Yeah.
So you get some money.
No.
So what the solution we find?
Me just want to go to talk to one of my friends them. And
I'm not dashing a belly, no, Jerry. So if that here comes to me about I am not doing it.
so even if me come to you and ask you that you would never think about it.
You must be mad.
Alright, me did talk to one of my friends them and me did ask him if since me tell him some me breeder.
Why you tell people?
I'm my best friend, he not gonna tell nobody. As me there, so me tell him say me get you pregnant and he could have pretend to be father.
You're mad? Eh?
What you mean?
No, you're mad?
Can remember say me and your cousin
No,
son.
call me name out. You don't feel like someone. You don't feel like someone abortion better than that?
But I you see one saying one.
Because I'm not doing it, but me just a say. But you say nah, make no sense at all.
Why you talk so loud?
Because might as well everybody know if you walk and I tell a friend them.
But me not walk and I tell my friend them I just one person me tell.
Then Javi, news I go get out say me I breed for your friend. I mean I breed for your friend. I don't even know your friend.
But that would have better me know if your facts are not related. I mean because me and him not related. So him can pretend to be father. He saying what I think about it.
Javi, you irritate me. You irritate me. You need to be be foolishness to come out to your mouth. Come like you come here to irritate me.
You don't have to get so upset.
Just relax and think about this. This makes sense to you?
So what else we going to care?
No, but this makes sense to you? Like you really graph up that and come to me?
Either three things we can do. Either one, you dash your belly, you say no. Either two, you somebody else pretend to be a baby father. Or three, big old disgrace, or most likely my mother kill me.
Yeah, go dead. Go on now?
So you really want me for that? Kerry, please. This is the only thing we can think of. Just think about,
Javi, come on.
babe, please, babe.
Come on, Javi.
So this is I know then.
Me and your mother. Eh? It naga work out. That no make no sense.
Alright, me tell my friends that I wanna know.
Nobody do no more thinking. Me will do all I thinking. Just get some money, Carrie, come give me.
Alright. Yeah.
Nonsense.
Alright, later.
Just come on, stop it now. Put on your slippers. Hurry up.
Sitting around me.
Listen, I'm gonna listen.
Talk to me now.
No, how fix this.
Just calm down. You know, so you can't tell me anything.
Driving me find out I'm pregnant.
What? Wait, you say?
Javi, what you gonna do, Javi?
No, you have to tell me what you say.
You deaf? You gonna make me talk and make everybody hear?
No, but
Give me one mic. Give me one mic when we talk louder.
Sydney, you say you're pregnant? You mean you're pregnant? Who you pregnant?
You know, say, the other night I buy some sperms and inject into me. Don't ask me no foolish, you idiot.
Me not try to get you upset or something wrong. It's just that.
I don't know what this me put myself in, you know, brother. I don't know what this. What we are going to do here? Turn yourself like an idiot.
No, it's only have to understand. You know, easy to hear yourself pregnant. You have to understand that it's not easy.
We just give one box, you know. It is easy for we do what we do, huh? It was so easy.
But
One snap and it happened. But now you have to find one conclusion. You're blank.
But Sydney, you act like a me alone did do this. Alright.
Hey, me took your bangle and put it inside of me.
No, Sydney, but Sydney.
Javi, you need to find a solution to this because me cannot bother. Where we going with this?
Alright, calm down. Me understand what you're saying. Alright. Maybe me have to tell my mother.
What? Javi, you stupid?
Sydney, your sister know?
Javi, you understand say it's a serious situation this? No, you don't understand.
No, I understand it's a serious situation. It's just.
We are talk about mother and sister.
But
You
Sydney,
understand so too we can dead?
we mean two we can dead.
You want auntie kill away? Huh?
Alright. Alright, just listen to me now. Just listen to me now. Alright. Just don't tell nobody. Me figure it out. We'll deal with this together. Wait, let's see.
Oh, oh, no, how for come about this, scary. I know say from when we send you up here, we not move good and I know with this. But I feel like today are the day where she have to tell you this. No pregnant. And the worst part about it is,
Well, I have something to tell you
I
too.
have a picnic.
Well,
Yes.
where's the Sydney? You have a right to jam around yourself. Well, I'm pregnant too.
What?
And I,
No, I know what me I think.
yeah, jam a baby.
So,
What we are gonna do, mommy, I gonna kill we.
so I don't know what to do. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know what to do. I don't know what is like what is you put yourself in a manner. How we gonna play this out? How
You
we
tell
gonna play
Javi?
this? Look tell him I play a foolish, he must say.
Well, when I tell him, he must tell me fee. We are gonna figure it out and them look at things. They never really did that now, but you know me not keep this.
I really no one did this night, I know.
We have to get rid of it and fix back relationship. Cause I don't understand why we might just become between you. You think if we tell mommy?
I really don't know what to do. I just don't know
Sydney,
what to
Sydney,
do.
look, everything is gonna be alright. We're gonna figure it out. It's just sad because look how mommy did I want about everything. Yo, we're gonna go to Javi because we alone now stressed about this. We are going to him and hear what you have to say. Focus, stop stress.
No, how to think right now. Just
Just listen. We are going to go to Javi, figure out how we are going to come up with some money to get rid of this cloud and keeping it.
Yo, Tanisha, the home.
Shame them, man. So you man. Last night I had a big argument me and him have to, you know, man.
What do you mean big argument?
You know Tanisha stay dog. She just mad dog.
Sometimes I wonder why I still there with her. But here's the thing, you know, brother. I talk to my cousin, you know, and she say she not depend you being a baby father, you know.
Oh shit, I'm saying this man. God, I tell you so God know that, but I don't know how me not work this out with Tanisha.
She said she not even want that straight belly.
So I'm the other one. You know, let him go.
That's the problem, you know, brother. Just a while ago, me dey up at her house and she pulled me out of her house, you know, and she tell me, say, she pregnant too, you know.
No, sir, Ziggy,
Don't bother create excitement, bro.
Ziggy. What kind of man you be, Ziggy? Eh? You don't know about condom. You don't know about pull out.
Brother, I just in a moment.
Ziggy, it bad enough. Are your cousin? And you don't use condom, Ziggy. Suppose it.
But
This don't look good enough.
by the way, why you always a call me Ziggy? You know my name already.
Javi, Ziggy, whatever you want to name. Ziggy. Right now, it's Ziggy Marley, me don't call you. But
But brother, me I gonna need you for do this. Me need you for pretend to be father. I want to say she pregnant.
so,
Oi, you, where you want me get? I don't know what kind of nastiness you getting at, but I nah put my man in you. Where you want me get?
Wait, what you talk about?
Where you want me get?
I thought me just a talk to
You think
Rupert.
you know tell me everything what going on, no kind of nastiness you in your gang breed your cousin and I get my man involved. Me no want you be no friend anymore, no. Me no because you not take up no responsibility where you should have take up.
So Rupert, you really tell her? Me tell her this stuff and I tell nobody.
You no hide nothing from me. You don't hide anything from me.
Tanisha, you just I go half it. Just you can just pretend to be.
No.
yes, me just gonna pretend, man.
You not tell me nothing, you know. You don't tell me nothing. Me no know him not get involved in this.
But babes, you know, say
No.
this, you know, look right.
No.
Please, Tanisha, me I beg you. Just make him do this one favor for me now.
No. Move from me gate. Go on home. Find a responsibility, man, and take care of them. Go on home. You. Nah, so.
Yo, Ziggy, me see you.
Go on home. You're not seen. You're not even a friend anymore. Me no in this. This is nastiness, yeah. Come on.
Rupert!
No.
So,
Come on.
so I tell him long time saying should I just left the girl there.
Why you look like you're shocked? Come sit down.
So,
You know, already know what you're not smart enough to know what happened.
what do you mean?
What you mean by what I mean?
I want Sydney.
don't ask me nothing.
Javi, you get the two away pregnant. We know say you play the two away. You know have nothing to say?
I don't like me to try to play on the board.
But want me to your mouth.
What do I miss? Obvious.
If me didn't want to tell her we're supposed to settle with more, the day I start talking to me, I chat to myself.
But obviously, we talk to each other, so we must know someone pregnant. So
So,
No problem.
you understand the magnitude of the situation you're going right here, so you don't get that, not you. We're a sister, yeah, we're cousin. We're pregnant.
We
Or
need,
you talk
we
with you.
need to know what to do, you know, because we're not keep this.
No, talk to me. Yeah, talk to you.
we understand, so we are cousin, but
Stop looking.
But
We
what?
look on
You
for.
eat it, Javi, you eat it.
You never understand. I never going to them to you know. You just want some chill.
Why your speech? I'm confused. We have to force it for talk?
sorry, we never mean for this.
Sorry, can this have heard them out of my belly? Huh? You need to take responsibility for what you do. Since I scary attack to you now here. We need to know what the next move towards this. Because since you're not hearing.
But we could have asked you to budget to pretend to be your father.
What?
Me go say it again, right? We not keep this. You understand? No baby now come, so I don't know what kind of pretend you talk about.
It's like you have all of this plan. Because all of a sudden everything clear to you, not true? Let me tell you this. You need to talk like right now, we're gonna take this because I'm not in the foolishness. I'm not keep no picking on me we're gonna turn handicap. Let me tell you that. Because you should have known say yo, this going wrong from the get-go, you know. And you still go ahead with the procedure, right? Here take a man action. So you need to find a man solution and fix this. Come on now, so you can talk to no idiot.
Well, me not bad up with your son, go like how your fault, everything. All me I say is, go to your mother and talk about it, and whatever she said to you, you come back and tell me how we can deal with this, because me not keep the baby and it's not going to be a secret for much longer.
The whole community, you can't bother. The whole community know that right now, you know.
Alright. We talk to mother. But me really sorry, me never really didn't mean for this happen. I like me don't care about when I care about her.
Obviously, you don't care, 'cause if you didn't care, we would play the water when you get the water pregnant, and the right is the speech is like, you know, have no sense.
Alright, me talk to mother.
Huh?
I can't talk to you about something.
You can talk to me about anything, you know already. Open anything but do. You alright?
Well, yeah, I'm alright, but you remember when you that tell me some if you don't look for my cousin?
Mm-hmm.
You know, say last night he told him that talk to me and then tell me say he told him pregnant.
What do you mean? For who? How? And what caused this? Like seriously? So who get them pregnant? I hope none of your friend them, you know.
I don't know that my friend them is I just say problem there. And me get them pregnant.
What you say? Javi? Wheel and come again. What you say? Me not hear what you say. What you just say? What you say? What you just say? What you say? Are your cousin? What you just say? I prank you, I prank me.
No, mom,
I'm not tricky, I trick me.
no, mother never do nothing for trick you.
Be serious.
Me get them pregnant for real.
You, Javi, get your own. Where you say? Them pregnant are. Where you just say? Is she pregnant? Who? The two of them. Where you say? Where you say?
Two of them pregnant.
For you.
Yeah,
For you one.
yeah.
What a carelessness. Javi, what a carelessness. you end up yourself into. Javi, look how me warn you. Javi, me tell you, say, them two girl picking they will come down and stay with we. Our family. And me two niece them, so it's your cousin. You understand? So when me I go tell them mother say no, say my son get my sister two daughter pregnant. Javi, all this happen. Me not understand. Javi, all this happen. Me not understand how it happen. So Javi, you want to tell me say, you, Jesus Christ, hey, Javi, tell me how this go. Me soon talk to you about the you. Hey, where you say Javi? So what you gonna do about this now? Me did warn you.
I don't know, me did talk to them and then me did try convince them to try try to make somebody else pretend to be father, but they say no.
All so far you gone. You try to make somebody else be the father after you get your two cousins pregnant. What a piece of nastiness. What a piece of worthless. I'm not even workless. Worklessness. Eh?
Me tell them say only thing me can't do now talk to you.
So you want to say, oh, this happen? How it happen? How it get to happen?
I didn't want accident, me never mean to get them pregnant.
Accident. So Javi, you want tell me say you accidentally put your private part in the wrong hole? And that you tell me say? So me no done did warn you already about family having intercourse with each other and they become deformed and look one funny way and people mock them. So are them the kind of life that you want going at them the live it? Are them the kind of life they want to live?
No, mommy.
So how this a go happen now? Jesus Christ, how this a go work out? For me, I go tell people say, my two niece will get pregnant. The baby we in them belly is my grandchild. And me not care nobody go dash in no belly. So me no know how this a go work out between you, you know. Me no know how this thing a go work out between me and you and them. You understand? How it a work out between you? Me no know. Because how you feel now if you know say your cousin child is your daughter. So a cousin pa your name. Your name cousin pa. Well, guess what? No involve me in a that the family there. No involve me in a that the family there cause me no want end up in a them the tenge bangarang there. No. Look how more people go see me on road and come at me. Oh, my son breed my niece. And how my niece pitney them is my grandchild. That not gonna be comfortable in my life. Me I go uncomfortable for the rest of my life. So me no know what I go do, you know. So you know me I go do about this now. It look like me have to go carry you, Kerry, and Cindy go to my sister. Because this not sound good. I mean, no, she not gonna like it and she not gonna feel pleasant about this. She not gonna feel comfortable if you know so she take her two daughter them. Trust me as her sister. If send them come stay with me and my son breed her two daughter. How it go? Cause even if I know you push on your body pan and wish me not know how it go. And even if them push on them body pan you should know better. She still a go blame me because me her sister.
Sorry.
You're sorry. Sorry. Sorry is not condom. The time I think about sorry, a matter of fact, first of all, look where you're double, triple wrong, flip wrong. You not even get one pregnant. Although you shouldn't get none of them pregnant no at all. You get two pregnant. Them the two pitney there. We in a female niece, two belly. Me and them are nothing. Me and them not related. So get this straight as from today. Go sit down and plan how you go deal with it because you're not going to stay in my house. Because I no want no grand picnic if you call me cousin and they call me granny, they call her grandma or mommy or whosoever. Not in this location. So you just plan to go. You have to go plan to go. Because I know this is going on. Because when the village people them hear about this a nastiness, a problem, and you know they stay already. But you see, true, me no want judge you wrongfully because me know you is not that type of person. Me no know you made the devil leave you in them. You know what, me get up, cause guess what? Plan for grown and my sister, you and them. Cause me no know how you and she, I go sort out it more than me shame already and me no reach around there yet. Me sorry for you, so sit down and think about it. If I did know say them and nastiness say when they call me about, I get up and walk out of here. I don't want to hear nothing from you.
I want me to hear now, my sister. Everybody looks so grumpy. How we gonna look so sad? What happened?
News flash, my love.
News flash.
Yes, yes, master.
Almost some good news in the car come, but if I did good news in the face, gonna look so what happened?
Nothing good no inna this.
Somebody dead?
You see your two daughter them where you send down a me yard, where they say them are my niece, are the worst set of family coming into my life. Me sorry the day when you call me and
So you
ask
are
me.
tell me something me pitney them are error set of family coming here like?
Sis,
Why pitney them?
no man, just listen first
Don't
and then
do
you will
it.
get it. It's alright, you so know if I do it or me not do it.
Not do it, girl.
Okay. Listen. Them is the worst set of pitney you send go ask me.
They
If
thief
me-
your money?
Thief? Me wish I went that. I swear. Although I wouldn't like if you didn't take my money, but guess what? You ask me if they can come spend holiday with me. Number one, them and Javi are cousin and they never know Javi from nowhere. Them come, me invite them in. Me welcome them to the house. Make them feel comfortable and alright. Javi greet them. So me think say everything was alright as a family. Jesus Christ, my sister. Me start suspect certain things. Cause one come to me with the story and me say that I know nothing, man. But when me they look into it every minute, me they suspect. But me can't say, yes, I saw it go. You don't know what happened?
No, me no know, tell me.
Them and Javi are cousin and then they together. Sexual
mean, get-
intercourse. Right now, me not even about grow no cause right now the two of them are breed for them cousin. Me can't bother fi tell you the rest of story where would I make it too harsh, cause this well hot. Scotch bonnet them beat. You two pitney them will come down, where fi call me auntie. Disrespect me. Them not have no family
They
sense.
cuss you?
No family sense. They not no sense of human. Nothing in the family, they not no sense of yes, I'm a family that. So me now go deal with my family, that me mean. Me talk to them daily. Me talk to them nightly. Then thief out and go road without my consent. One they watch the other, and a two sister them, you
So
know.
how you sure?
When I
You
jealous,
sure
the
say
next one jealous over that they want. Hey,
You said them a breed, yeah.
They
They're
t-
not dead, so I know say them a breed.
watch ya. Hey.
Them a breed.
What you mean if them a breed? Like inhale and exhale and that me mean? And that you think some really
So
mean?
that could have else.
Them have got in front of them. That mean them a breed. Real breed like baby in them belly. Them pregnant. Then cousin my son. Pregnant. Your two daughter them. Cause them push on themselves for my son. And look how much man they out the road. I warn them. And they not listen to me. And then lie there. Hey, I mean niece them, but then lie.
Me not
Then lie,
believe.
then lie, then
Nothing
lie.
can go so.
All me they ask them where them and Javi in as cousin. They make me look like an idiot. No, auntie, no go so. We are just friend and my cousin, so we just go to the road and
Nothing
we go
can
a
go so.
river.
Nothing no
What?
go so.
Them have sexual intercourse. And the way them wicked and no heart and they no love themselves. They no business if they did I go breed before they go and do whatever. They not even use condom. They no business about me and you. They no business they shame where them a cash.
Oh, you're sure so them a breed, oh, you know.
Me sure.
Come, stop. Stop right there, Sir Cruella. Stop. Me and your sister. And this coming like say this is gonna make me your fall out. You try play one blame game. You see when my two pitney them left from me yard, they did a virgin. They never been touched from the day them born, and I know that. So your son force on himself for me pitney them.
You live on my yard?
I want never grape in grape them.
How you dey talk to? My son?
Yes, when I grape a pineapple or
You dey
apple
talk
or
about my son?
or tangerine.
Hold on there. See there now you're gone too far. You forgot say your nephew?
Me not care.
Listen.
So in it figure say I ain't cousin them.
And them fi know that. And that's why me now put myself in this bangarang here. Because me talk to them. Listen how me find out. Cause you did ask me the question. Let me tell you how it go. Cindy start jealous over Kerry. Because Kerry and Javi get too close. So she did want Javi to, but she not explain herself to me. But me did surmise, say something a go down fishy. But she not tell me the truth. But two of them a tell me this and a tell me that, you know, and they carry me round and a grown. Me just say, all right, maybe not no go so all when me mind they tell me say I want if they in a sick me name two and push it on them. You understand for make them feel away, call me and say my sister pick me them. Me find out late about the belly part. So me no know how you go now, you know. Because look here, if you never know me now no bed at me yard. Remember sit up on the floor, me did a sleep on one mattress me and Javi and then come sleep on you and he could have had the hole. Where them I go hole with two more picnic? That's
So
how
you
much.
just find out you never have no bed.
Me and them, I make how much? Me and 4 plus 2 more picnic make 6. Take them in the yard. See your house big and you have bed.
You want them in the house.
You have bed, me no have
You
none.
have to go work out with you and Javi and them. You know.
How that? And me they take out Javi private and
God
the
be
blood of Jesus.
me judge. Me no want them in a me yard.
My sister,
You hear me I tell you?
me and your sister before we have them jing bang ya. And if you go make them a puppy show picnic ya, we don't grow up, them reach the age of consent already where they can responsible for themselves. Well, if you know how know if you put them, me know how know if you put them there because sit there your house. Me no live nowhere. So you know what me, I can't take myself and go my yard because they can't follow back at me.
They have to go with you know.
As she started, carry me the talk. She start everything. So the one Cindy now take up a put on her head and one man too. My sister, how you know say them a did virgin before you send them a me yard? You sure say they need to take man before they come down there?
Girl, before they come here, then go do their regular checkup, me and them.
You sure say they do medical?
Me say, me I tell you, then go do their regular checkup, me and them.
Anyway, me not take up this responsibility, you know. Me gone. Come, my son. Come.
Oi.
Me need to talk to you about what you
If
do
you want
too.
to get up and go along with him,
No follow back at me. You try to take them with you.
you, want, and, look here, unless no go stay in a folk, but me no can't stand in a me house.
All right. Hold on, this is. Hold on. You see?
Yeah, ball, you not start ball yet?
You see, since as you no want them in there with the belly, and me no want them on my yard with no belly casting, me no want no niece have no picnic if you come call me. Granny, auntie, granny, niece, granny, cousin, granny, sister and brother. Me no hinna them the banger. Look here, uno come me go dash your belly.
Royal family no want a royal family no get. Go along one go. I don't care what you want do.
Okay.
When
Are you a child? And you know, I feel picnic them, you know.
When me go in and me think about it, I will take it from there. But you see for right now, no
Your
go along.
children.
I don't
me
care.
I carry them go dash your the belly. Who want vex? Vex. It did vex for a long time.
You want dash your belly, you dash your belly, you want
Dash me the dashy way.
dash your gut. But one thing me tell you no, if you not think you no bad, follow him go doctor. You no come out of my yard and go along one go.
You really want your stuff? Kaya ako quotas, kaya quota character again.
Alright, so.
I want to Bob Marley alone. There's no so much picnic. That's true. That
No, yeah.
yeah.
Adan Mali pa yan.
Yeah, man.
Come close, ready.
Yo, Ziggy.
What one name for somebody who sleep with them?
Ziggy, your name, Ziggy.
No, Romeo.
What name?
No,
Ziggy. Ziggy. Ziggy, no, sir. No, some yo, me I look for you different now, you know, dog.
Daddy, got the white shot.
Me I look for you different.
That's our next movie.
Brother, when you become this type of a man, huh? Them is hey, I got it.
Yeah, I read. I will listen. I have to think about this, brother.
Me really see.
That I want a big favor you ask me, brother. I mean, I not even think she go, my cousin them go stay up here. Then just they come up here for just the Christmas time. Ready now. Brother? One of them pregnant.
No, brother, you're going too bad, brother.
Yeah, relax.
You're going too bad, man, yo.
Can't tweet this right away.
No, no. No, sir.
The body no cut.
The body, brother.
You breed one.
You know what kind of pity that they can't come?
Brother, I find cousin.
You better pray say one four cousin. Tell me say you breed him again.
Girl like you.
Auntie, nothing like that now happen. You worry about me, worry about JV. Cause every time when she see Javi around me, she get jealous and accent type. For true.
So what you and Javier do so make what you mean Javier? Me just realize.
They said Javier.
Me just realize. Me just realize that you say that.
So you can't say yeah. Feel like I am father.
No, sir, you get out of hand now. You get out of hand, brother. No, dog, that not. Brother, remember say me have mad Keisha deal with, you know. I know Keisha no rap, brother.
Ready now, continue on action.
1 and 90. What may I say? 1 and 19. And 1 and 18.
Maybe we have to tell my brother.
Move from front of me. God almighty.
Each one can do.
I can't dead because Auntie Curla can't kill me. She can't kill me.
My brother gonna block 2 foot out here, brother gonna kill you. When you find
Me just get one vaccine, you never know, say.
That's not good. That's not run girl. It's a mad brother. Listen. What else it is, Javi? Javi, stress out. We don't want stress out.
Oh, you know what's one night? If you go buy something and put inside of me, that's how I get pregnant. Don't ask me no foolishness. Man,
This
why
disgusting.
you make me
Your skin a catch a fire for man. Man when I want you, not true.
you cousin, so why you want
Your own cousin.
You can't get your fire for your own cousin.
You a fool?
Let's go kill a friend then.
Yeah, you hear the guy.
Let's go man action.
Come down, freaking idiot.
Alright, come on, Javier.
Alright, so now when so when you say Javier, no after. That was good. You think my man not tell me everything? You know, hide up from me, you know. You know, hide from me. Think you not tell me everything?
Oh, look funny man.
Yes, man.
Yeah. So Rupert, what if you tell him?
I do not want you on him.
Rupert me name, man. Rupert me name.
What you never call it out him? Eh? I say sweet, you see? I say what a sweet, yeah. I say your cousin sweet, yeah. No sweet or sour yet. Sour grapes. One of them would have been a good name. No, me I tell you about the same cousin, you know. She said she don't want that one. But I say next one I'll build it.
Oh.
Daddy, hold this. Catch some beaters. Ready?
Hold on. Which one of them?
The same one me I talk about.
Oh.
Look, girl, stand up right there, so no, stand up right there, so. Stand up right there, so.
Sure.
Ready? Ready? And action.
But first you have to tell me say you love me.
Come.
Yeah, but time see I really, really needs me. Say, are you going to have my baby girl? Are you?
No, we're not doing that. I think we could pretend to be his father.
No, you mad. When is?
I don't know what to do. Honestly, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do because
Alright, stop stress. We'll figure it out.
What that? Come back.
Me, you try go back go stay there so with them.
Go on with Javi. Wanna go on with Javi. Look here now, man. Look here now.
I'm confused.
Candy, walk out and call him back and tell him, so don't come.
I want you all to subscribe to the channel, young and old boys and girls. This is a brand new one, Family Ram. So like and share, okay?
Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on his shirt. You know me, I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, oh, me no need that, me no need that. It's not no Viagra. You know me, I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use make the capsule them, and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you are 50 or 60 or 40, you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, I'm talking about from a healthy perspective. You want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up. See him Instagram handle there. So you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and here is his telephone number. Link him up, and yeah, can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you.
you again. You still have the attitude, girl. You stop coming to school.
No ask me no question. Go find the papa with a climb rum tree and ask him question. Don't question me.
And first of all, what is going on with your attire?
Girl, are you weird pan?
Hello. Me don't understand this. Where you think you go?
School.
Through which school gates you think you're going with that young miss?
Your shoes long.
So what problem? You're bad.
No, I just want 1 week to myself. I can't take 1 week.
School over 12 o'clock and this come on, look girl.
Hold up your head.
Go to school. Take your book. Do your assignments. Do what you're supposed to do.
Not because I see other pitney and do it means so you have to take up, you have to follow them and do it. You have to have a mind of your own.
Mr. Take off your watch, give me.
Why
not? You're a woman and a man needs to take upon your cut out for man.
Oh. So, after me, they send you go to school at daytime and sitting. You go to school, go bully Pitney and make Pitney kill himself.
So, back answer me that me say.
Your sins are all washed away.
Look for me, they talk to you. And if me have to tell you to look for me one more time, girl.
Remember, say me have to go home before 3:30 and 3 o'clock now, you know. And I remember, say my man will broke my neck.
Walk this way, please.
So what print me now?
Young lady, go on.
You're lucky, Miss Clark.
You know who you think you be?
One day, you're going to bully the wrong person and you're going to regret it. Which part you see me with the eyes, them see me a bully nobody?
No matter whether or not I've seen you myself, there are reports, and we're going to do an investigation to find out whether or not this is actually true.
Me never tell you someone go to school. She do me a favor.
And is that a icky on your neck?
Where? Just say. Where you put them there, water?
Alright, just say see that trailer there where you just watch. Just go over to Alton Garden Originals on YouTube. Brand new channel coming. So just go over there and subscribe. The new movie where The Big Bad Wolf is gonna be posted on Alton Garden Originals. Just go over Alton Garden Originals right now and go and subscribe until the movie a drop. It's gonna be a banger. Remember.
Yo, hear me, sis.
Ringo.
Tell her this. This is not a joke thing, you know. You promised me a daughter and you run around with man thing. What you want? You want a telephone or you want a broke hand or a broke foot?
Me get a piece of money and me want give you 100 out of it, you know?
If you take it serious right now,
So what you plan to do with the data? Sell her out.
you never know when you get yourself in before you put yourself in it.
But me never know say Wayne a pimp.
Me have one nice daughter. I feel like some could give her to you.
I am Ringo. My father have a deal.
If you never know, say I saw your father stay from a long time before you born until to the day.
What you try to say? You want to sell me out there so me can get money for come give you? And that you try to say you sell me out? Daddy, how you greedy son? Me say the only person who still have money more than you is a prostitute.
But yo, more you go find him and bring him come here, sir.
I come here.
Alright, my boss, alright. Please, Mr. Ringo, please, sir, please, Mr. Ringo. No, take care of the foot, no.
So the brother where you broke his foot, him a lucky to you.
Stop that, no, man. You move too greedy, you know.
You know me and daughter no good. You know no good daddy.
The money when me save back to give Ringo to take you out of problem, you take the money and give Roxanne, Daddy?
Yo, you know, so me have a little thing for you. Come link me down and me out of here.
No worry yourself, you will get your money in full.
So let me ask you something. So when you go sing and in case you're ready cash and go take out when you don't feel
It's not, it's a loan?
interest grow upon it weekly. Then mama say a Ringo me name in a dog. Yeah, man, so they are Wayne there.
Look here, boy. Come out!
So when she tell you this morning now, we make you and I not fall out now.
He asked uncle to basically make come in the police force.
Unless bullet coming, and if you have no bullet, you know.
Javi, take that off of my bed, Javi.
Right now, when sister go to school, that she may have focus on.
Now one penny have her two, that more ask him.
Jesus Christ. Javier, no! Wake up! No!
I am man, Mad Max.
Why not supposed to be in a jail like this? I'm going, you know.
But I mean, I no argument with you. Just
You don't know, maybe. Yo, eat up yourself.
Why you act like you're upon drugs?
Yo, just lucky gun for me.
No worry yourself. Things are going to get better, I promise you that, you see me? And I like saying I'm corrupt against someone, you know. I just assure you it all as how it is.
Hello, you.
We have a child together.
That not have nothing to do with me. That not have nothing to do with me. So me have one pitney if you stay with you in a poverty. And that you want me to do?
I need you to stop force things down people's throat.
Boy, don't say that. When me come here, just talk about force thing down the throat. Somebody else force something down the throat.
That's what you're trying to do.
All you have to do, testify against him.
You know, say set me up to you now. I still love you. What?
It just happened that my years. They when things happen. See, you can't tell me no because me hear everything. That's what you mean when we read it. I was concerned to why Miss Berry like you one letter. So me no must have to read it. Me I go just take anything, so.
You see, anytime your letter come in here, don't read them.
Hey boy, Mad Max, don't move.
It's a long story, but I'm going to cut it short. But you is the fault of everything.
Badness upgrade, man. You are part of the one here.
And me used to run the street, you know.
Follow me in a Christ. Me turn Christian and know that's a...
Brother, you can't tell me about no Christ right now.
Yo, this now go so you know.
Prepare for war. It's an eye for an eye, you know. If you kill somebody are going to dead back for you.
You can't have a funny case.
I'm going to take up back my gun.
You can say what you want to say, you know. But I am the police.
You can't say me never get nothing from the day you're born, you know. You feel it. Yours that, you know.